Today we're introducing a new cast aluminum primary clutch to add to the two that we already have for the Polaris 1000cc vehicles. I know it's going to add a little confusion to it. We have a video on how to pick a primary clutch for your Polaris 1000 vehicles. Make sure you watch that and try to get Hunter to put an end card in the video so you can see a little bit more detail. So without further ado, what is this new primary clutch? This is a TeAM rapid response. Years ago, TeAM used to sell aftermarket primary clutches. We used to sell them. They were a good clutch, and they decided to get out of the aftermarket and concentrate their efforts on the OEM. Now, you probably can't read on the camera, but this says DuraClutch FXS. And so basically, DuraClutch has been acted as the distributor, and they have a relationship with TeAM Industries, and they got them to make this new primary clutch for them with some changes from the previous model several years ago. And they have offered it only, to my knowledge, only two companies, Hunterworks and one more exclusively. So it's only two places that you can get it. You can't even buy it direct from DuraClutch to my knowledge. Okay, so how does it fit in between our bargain Asia-made clutch and the Hunterworks clutch? It fits right in between. The price point is approximately $200 less than the Hunterworks clutch, and roughly $100 and something more than our Asian clutch. To get full details on the different things about it and how you'd pick, again, make sure you watch the video on how to pick. Details on this is that it's going to have a lot of the same functions, features, obviously, as the other two. Just a better quality clutch than our bargain one. It does have left-hand threads and right-hand threads on the spider and the spider nut like the Hunterworks primary. It just does not have the highest quality rollers like our Hunterworks does. We do not have a shrouded washer on the bearing like it does. It's had a little bit different setup, and the buttons aren't a cushion design like the Hunterworks. Does that mean this is a subpar primary? Absolutely not. It is certainly better than any OEM primary would be. Again, it's just a good, better, best situation, and then you have to decide which one out of our three that you want. And I'm repeating for probably the third time. Just make sure you watch the how to pick a primary clutch video. So once again, this is just an introduction to the new TeAM Industries rapid response primary clutch by DuraClutch, sold exclusively through Hunterworks and one other dealer. Got any questions about it? Todd at hunterworks.com. Thanks.